Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Queenie. And now she's saying that there was this lady that was her friend, and the lady gave her a dress to wear to a party that they were going to, or something like that, an event. And when the lady saw her in, the clothes that she gave to her, and she was looking really good, the lady was saying, "Oh no, she's not going anywhere because her belly, was a bit bigger." She's saying that you have to be thankful for what you have. It doesn't matter how you are, because sometimes people go through different things, to get to where they want to go, or where they want to get to, but it has to start somewhere. She's basically saying it has to start somewhere, to get to where you want to go to. And so you have to praise yourself. She's saying, um, no matter what it is or where you are, you know, in life, basically, you have to, praise yourself for where you are and what you are, you know. So Queenie's saying that don't look at what others have or how they are, because you're your own human, you're your own body. So you have to be thankful for what you are until you can get where you want to be. But basically, I'm thinking that's what she's saying. That's what I got out of it. If you have any other meaning to what she's saying, you could just leave that in the comments. And please remember to like, share, subscribe. And membership is available. You could go ahead and purchase those as well. And continue listening out for more videos every day. Thank you.
Listen to me. Me not care. She give me her one of her clothes. Well, she did what I wear, but she give me it. It's when the girl see me put on the clothes. Remember, me never beg her clothes, Me don't want to come because look at my belly in this. Me say, but your girl belly now got change no matter what your belly you put on. It's so your belly stay. So you have to accept your belly. Don't watch me. You are going to surgery. We suffer 2 times to cut out my belly and that's your belly. We're flat. Appreciate on a fucking self for 1.5. That is what you call self-praise. You praise your blood clot self even though your belly big. So don't tell me Queen is a self-praise is no recommendation, because that's gonna get me fucking crass. Bomber clot. Don't try to fuck with me. It's true though. You understand me? You have to love yourself. It's the words powerful in the tongue, dangerous in. So if you tell yourself, oh man, nobody called the man running left me. A liar blood clot tell me I man me I say I eat that, not me. Me I say in my blood clot eat that for running left me, not throw myself and I need a boss. And that's what a lot of us ladies do. When we get disappointed by our loved ones, we're going to have a little shell. We can't cope. And we're weak. Our pussy stink for days when I wash it. When I comb, we're here. You know why? Because we have to feel sorry for ourselves and we have to take responsibility for them action what them doing. So it's because when I praise yourself at the best time now, see me now. Do it back to me, I don't know what me. I say, what do it? Me, I praise myself, Queen, you have blood clot, boss bitch. You carry your husband, girl, can sit down, lay with him, bomber clot. No blood clot, girl, can't speak. Me, dads. You understand me? And you can't tell me fuck it. When I need to go back and reschedule common sense. A lot of you don't use common sense. You not just use the words and think that you can bash me. I will sit here for 24 fucking hours and full of blood clot chat. Words, wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Me not chat blood clot fuck you as dark and as ignorant me is. Me is a lecturer. Me is a debater. Me telling them I go to school, me a prefect. My life and I work, me turn union delegate. Me's always a strong blood clot character. No, can't beat me with words. Watch my Anthony Miller interview. Mommy said the best part of the interview. And when the man said to me, say, how long me think my marriage will be? So freely, me just right there, me just answer him. But grab the answer out and blood the question out of mouth before it done. I answer him. Whatever will be, will be. When Anthony Miller asks me, the future's not ours to see. Que sera. Go watch me interview. No, you can't plan for blood clot. Me right to tell me, I'll do it soon, God. What the fuck you don't know what to do it soon, God? Uno soon gone left me. I want to know who are going to stay for a while. The future is not us to see. None of blood clot, we can't see the future. That's why I praise myself. So when you not tell me them negative things that for lower my spirit now and take on my joy and take on my little energy, me just say, Queenie, yeah, girl. Queenie is that girl. Never a flat blood clot girl. That's a self-praise girl. You understand me? And it keep me stronger. I say in our work. You attract what you put in the universe. Speak your positive, Queenie. That's a positive thoughts. Yes. That makes sense. Lecturer, teacher, prophet, doctor, healer, nurse. That every month. It's a one real woman. My eye purpose and it's truth. Me rehabilitate myself and rebuild myself and stand up in the fucking dirt and the mud to make other girls say, oh, no, can't do it. So all when you not bash me and not chat me, enough girls may help and I rehabilitate. Everybody have relationship issues. Because when we are planning as women, we say we have to cook bread bean and pussy clad cow foot. And you get the nice whole heap of bread bean and put in down pressure cook down the bread bean. Sleep a killer go and go sleep. And with a nice white rice with 2 slices of tomato on the side. And the man look on the food, the man tell he say no, no food. Because we are planning, we are think for them. We overcare them and they can't. Sometimes they're not even in the mood and we just the fact that in the blood clot food, we have exercise. Make it be a problem. Me burn me, I can see me cook my food and I share the whole I pin them have to come feed same time. If you don't come for my food and I war in our house, you don't come for the bomber clad food. You don't know say me not share the food and same difference, son. I said sometimes you cook the food and you know I eat them now I eat it. And we sit down and plink for that and sit down see where now. And we vex and we make problem. Fuck you, dirty blood clot man. You know why I need me tell me provide it for you. My business video. Fuck that. Go and get your burger. Go and go buy KFC. And next time I'm glad for the bread bean. And I say, baby girl, put some more upon this with little more of the white rice. So I say, God, life, you have to balance it. You can't just get up and beat up yourself and say, oh, God, do it this. Grace me in front of the world, everybody see. I'm going to move on the dirty blood clot and my disgraceful husband. Standard. That is self-praise. Me I praise myself. Me not long wait for praise. Me not wait for my husband to praise me. Oh, every minute sure put up, do it. I'm here the blood clot superstar and this. I mean bring do I don't expect do for do what me do. Poor little do no leave my husband alone. Sometimes do don't even want to talk to blood clot the way I'm afraid of. And I go tell him say, oh, because he not come prove to Uno. Say I want my wife and I love my wife or me I got this and he not own nothing. I might ease him blowing now. I might ears him blowing and tell me more I'm married. So if him not want me, I'm supposed to blow in my ears and tell me. I'm not supposed to do here, so every time I come from my life, my little chick self, I enjoy my little self because I feel good. So I 52 and I say, oh, me get that energy. Oh, me feel so nice. Oh, me feel like I can climb mountain. Me can back up my energy. And that's the only reason why I don't get the best of me. So me and I come as somebody topic, your husband this, do it this, do it that. Jesus Christ, could you say you're great? Me turn doing all this big superstar and want to beat me for my husband when me turning out superstar. No, couldn't do that. You understand me? Live and be loved, man, and I can't fight my greatness. And from a little bit, me sit down and say this. Me a picture right now, me there center mass up at button beer. When me must around 8 or 10. You hear? And I say, I want to be superstar, I want to be famous, I want the world to know me, I want to fear fingernail. One of the blood clot, they don't even have internet. So you can't stop this now. All who feel like say they want to them build me. None of blood clot, you not build me. You move on a dirty blood clot and take. Stop take credit for one you do. And me, Janice, Sinister, Dispute, Scarlet. Because now back and belly.